Hey, Vegas and Stilettos. So how'd you guys like my new intro? I like it. I don't know. Then I don't have to like repeat myself every single video. So I thought that was kind of a new cool addition. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I have a couple things that I would like to talk about today. The first thing is I would like to give a shout out to over 600 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank you guys. You guys are helping me reach my goals every day, and I just greatly appreciate you guys. And we're really close to 750 for that giveaway, so keep spreading the word, keep putting my name out there, tell people to join if they like my content. I don't know, I appreciate you guys. I would like to talk about something a little serious today. I'm not going to be too much of a Debbie Downer. I'll keep it short, but I have had to delete comments. And this is not something I thought that I would have to worry about this early in the game, and I'm not really digging it. So I just want to put this out in the universe. This is a positive channel. I don't talk bad about anybody. And I kind of expect the same from my viewers, you know, not to I don't know, trash me. I think it's kind of crappy. I think it's kind of a cowardice to sit behind a computer screen or a keyboard and just kind of trash on people. And so, you know, I kind of expect my viewers to be kind to me, kind to each other if you guys are interacting with one another. And I just don't really, you know, appreciate the trash talking. The thumbs down is kind of whatever, but you know, if you don't have the balls to give me constructive criticism, then I would say just leave the thumbs down alone, because the thumbs down doesn't help me in any way, shape, or form. It doesn't give me any advice. It doesn't tell me what you are liking or not liking. Of course, you know, there's always nice ways to say things like that if you feel you need to. I mean, it is my channel, but if you feel that you need to say something, I would much rather you post a comment in a kind way to maybe tell me what you're not liking. I don't know, thumbs down just, I would expect a thumbs down for someone that's preaching hate, or someone that is talking trash on somebody, or someone that's just being nasty and mean, and I am none of those things. So, I don't know. I would much rather constructive criticism in my comments opposed to a thumbs down. But again, if you think you can only be nasty, I would actually appreciate if you wouldn't be part of my channel. I don't know. Just a warning, nasty comments will be deleted and the people will be blocked, because that's not a vibe that I want to give out on my channel, not even a little bit. So thanks again to everyone that has helped me get as far as I have gotten, and I appreciate you all. That's really all I had to say today, so have a great day. Bye.